If you've spent more than 6 months in online business research purgatory, this is the video that is going to snap you out of it. Do yourself a favor and watch the entire thing, please. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, first off, I just asked you nicely. But more importantly, I spent 15 years in research mode. I chased 26 different side hustles and I gave up on every single one of them. The 27th one worked, had nothing to do with the side hustle, by the way, and I was finally able to escape my corporate prison. So yeah, I've got a PhD in analysis paralysis and a minor in second guessing. Let me read you a comment that I got on one of my YouTube videos recently. It's pretty upsetting. I've been stuck in research mode for over 2 years now, trying to find the perfect business or side hustle. I keep digging and dumping, digging and dumping. Ugh. If that's you, first off, hey, thanks for watching. Second, ouch, but also same. I used to wake up, grab my phone, scroll for the golden idea, watch 3 YouTube videos before brushing my teeth, download 2 lead magnets I'd never read, buy a $27 mini course that I forgot I bought again. Repeat that for 15 years and you've lived my exact life. Now, that was the ultra sarcastic version, but you get the point. And let's just simply call this what it is. You're not researching. You are avoiding. You're avoiding risk. You're avoiding failure. You're avoiding picking something and being seen doing it. Because deep down you think, hey, if I pick the wrong thing, I'll waste my time. Or worse, if I fail, everyone will know that I suck. So you stall and you cover it up by calling it research. Look, I've done that move too. It's like organizing your desktop folders instead of doing the actual work. You're not building a business. You're just playing productivity dress up. Here's why you're addicted to research mode, because it's exactly what it is. It feels productive. It gives you that little dopamine hit. Like I'm doing something, I'm learning, I'm preparing, I'm getting ready. But in actuality, you are not preparing. You're procrastinating with better branding. Nobody else is willing to say this to you, so I'm going to. Research mode is where dreams go to die. And let's just do a quick reality check here. How many lead magnets have you downloaded in the last 12 months and not used? How many business models have you looked into? How many times have you said to yourself, this could work, and then you never touched it again? If you're running a mental side hustle graveyard in your head, you're not alone. Like I was the mayor of that graveyard for over a decade. Here's the harsh reality about what you're really searching for when you're in research mode. You're definitely not searching for a business. You are searching for certainty. You want a business that's guaranteed to work. No wasted time, no failure, just plug and play profit. You're basically wanting what's being sold to you on the internet, which is you don't have to do any work. It's super easy. And if you simply just follow these steps, you'll make $10,000 a month in 90 days or less, only working 2 hours a day, which is the biggest crock of shit that I've ever heard in my entire life. That doesn't exist. Every business has garbage. Every model is going to have headaches. There is no clean option that works fast, cheap, and easy. It just doesn't exist. So stop looking for it. And when you see that, just shut it off. Because the longer you chase that, the more time you're going to waste. Ask me how I know. Okay, in all seriousness, here's how you're going to break out of your research prison, because that's what it can feel like sometimes. Number one is to just pick something, anything that doesn't make you want to scream into a pillow, something that you can actually see yourself doing after the high wears off, after that dopamine hit wears off. Step number two is to commit to doing it badly. at first, because the first version is truly going to suck. That's how this works. You don't get to skip to level 10 clarity without playing through the messy tutorial. There is no polished version of your business idea hiding in some YouTube video that you haven't seen yet. So stop searching for it. You just have to make your version 1.0 and let it be ugly. And that's totally okay. You're supposed to do that. This is the part that people always miss. And I want you to pay close attention to this. You're already qualified to start. You have skills, you have stories, you have solved problems in real life that someone else is stuck in right now. You don't need another course. You need courage. You don't need credentials. You need commitment. You've been paid for your skills in your 9 to 5. Some of you for a very, very long time. That makes you more qualified than 90% of the online experts out there. And I want to tell you why my 27th side hustle worked. And yes, it was 26 that I gave up on. This is no joke. I counted them up. The reason that my 27th one worked was because I finally stopped quitting. That's it. I had the same doubts. I had the same distractions. But I said to myself, I'm going to stick with this one no matter how uncomfortable it gets and no matter how distracted I get. And guess what? It got uncomfortable. I had imposter syndrome. I had fear. I didn't think anyone would want what I had to offer. But I kept showing up. I showed up anyway. And that's the real unlock. That's the real sauce that is not secret, is showing up when you don't feel ready. Now let me paint you a darker picture. You stay in research mode for another year. 12 months from now, you're still scrolling, right? You're still binge watching productivity hacks. You're still tinkering with a logo for a business that you haven't even started yet, which drives me crazy, by the way. That's not strategy. That is self-sabotage. And if you don't stop now, you will normalize it. You'll get good at quitting before you begin, and that's when it's going to be too late for you because you won't even start. You will be so gun shy that you will be scared to start anything because you know that it will be a waste of your time and you know that you're going to give up. So here is the path out of that. Simple and actionable. Pick a lane. Your job skills, a transformation that you live through, a hobby that you know well on the side that you've developed. Use my skill to business formula to get 3 actual business ideas in under 30 minutes. There's a link in the description. Anyone can follow these steps. I designed it that way. You have no excuses. This is going to help you. Then you're going to commit to it for 30 days. One idea, one direction, one outcome. Launch something real and eliminate everything else. Stop searching for stuff. It already lives inside of you. You just got to find it. Now, what if it doesn't work? You'll learn. You will learn something and you'll be out of research mode. What if somebody laughs at you? They won't. They're too busy doom scrolling their own research mode. Trust me. What if you start small? That's literally how every success story starts. The only way to know if your idea works is to actually work it, not research it. Okay, this is my final push to you. And I want you to pay very close attention to what I'm about to say, because if you take this advice and you act on it and you listen to it, it could potentially change everything for you. Most people are going to die with 75% of their potential still inside of them, not because they weren't smart, but because they were too scared to pick a direction and go all in. Don't let what if I fail rob you of what if this changes everything. Grab the free Skill to Business formula below. It's in the description. It's not fluff, I promise you. It's a fast way to get out of your head and into motion. It has helped hundreds of people get clarity on business ideas. And if this video helped you at all, drop a comment that just says, I'm out of research mode. Say it publicly, claim it, because once you do, the only direction left is forward. I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.